Hey everyone, Max here from Edgevana, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to do non-custodial staking on Solana to Edgevana's own validator. In this video I'm going to be demoing how to do this through the Ledger Live wallet. So to do so, the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and click on the stake button. And on this screen it's asking us which validator we want to stake with. I'm going to go ahead and click on that show all button, and then in the search box I'm going to go ahead and search for Edgevana, and then I'm going to click continue. Now on this screen it's asking us how much SOL we want to delegate for the purposes of staking. For the purposes of this video, I'm just going to go ahead and type in 0.1, but feel free to type in the amount of SOL you'd like to delegate yourself. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click continue. Now at this point, it's actually going to prompt your Ledger device to review some details and approve the transaction. I'm going to go ahead and read these really quickly on my own Ledger device, and it all looks good. And now on my Ledger device, I'm going to go ahead and click approve. I'm going to wait for the transaction to broadcast. And there we go. We've successfully staked to Edgevana's validator. Thank you, guys.